It is not possible for researchers to collect data from everyone. This means you cannot interview everyone. And as the goal of qualitative, especially interpretive work, is to create an in-depth understanding, the sample doesn't need to be representative of the entire population. Rather, sampling in qualitative research is based on criteria that are defined by the researcher and on probability sampling techniques. But which informants to choose? And there are actually several ways to go. For instance, in purposeful sampling, you recruit participants that can provide detailed information about the phenomenon under study. If you're interested, for instance, in consumers that recently turned vegan, your selection criteria might be the following. A. The interviewee needs to pursue a 100% vegan lifestyle, including no leather shoes, etc. And B. The informant should not pursue a vegan lifestyle for longer than half a year. Another technique is snowball sampling. It's also known as referral sampling. In this case, the informant is asked by the researcher to refer to other individuals that are in the know or are able to deliver an interesting perspective to the study. This method is often used in order to recruit participants that are otherwise difficult to reach. Another way to go is convenience sampling, and there you just basically recruit participants who are easily accessible and convenient to the researcher. Quota sampling might also help you. For instance, if you want to study the difference of shopping behavior between Germans and French people, you might decide to interview 30 Germans and 30 French people.